O muthenya wa igomera ria murimu wa COVID-19 urakorwo rigithomo kuri bururi kwimenyerera na kurunga haria wagomete bara-ini ino, na riu thirikari yugite ni rathugunda njira cia gutithiriria aciari aria mari na ciana nini iria itwire ihingiririo nyumba kumana na guoya wa murimu na gacagaca-ini na igekora na murimu wa kwaga hinya wa mahindi kumana na kwaga vitamin D.
And so the fact that for the first time we've actually had a fatality and that this child had rickets really is a cause for concern. It needs that we need to relook. Even as we impose physical distancing, even as we say stay at home, then it means that if our children are staying at home, particularly those who live in apartments or areas where there are no fields, and it means that there's a risk when it comes to rickets.
Thirikari yanirire ati ona igiteithagiriria muingi kwigitira ndinginyira ritho mirimu ingire tumanaga na COVID-19. Ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 ithimi-ini cia andu 575 andu 667 mena virus ya COVID-19 nao 311 makahona. Ndeto yake hairete thiini wa ithabu riri andu 11 ni makuite.
Unfortunately, we've lost 11 patients from this disease, bringing our fatality to 274. Healthcare workers remain ready and willing to attend to all ailments and not just coronavirus.
Gukinyagia riu bururi wina arwaru 16,268 aria ahonu mari 7,446 ikuo ikarugamira andu 278. Thirikari igithingiriria ati guthimo ti kuga nduri ugwati-ini wa kurwara murimu.
And in terms of distribution by county, we have Nairobi leading at 387, Kiambu at 40, Mombasa at 26, Machakos 47, Kajiado 79, Nakuru 15, Uasin-Gishu 14, Garissa 11, Busia 9, Kilifi 6, Turkana 6, Makueni 5, Wajir 5, Kisumu, Nyeri and Lamu having 4 cases, Murang'a 2, and Bomet, Bungoma, Narok, Nyamira and Vihiga having 1 case each.
Rianirira ria thirikari riukite riri muingi maturi-ini uronekana kuregeria mawatho maria mekirirwo hau gabere murimu wa rika bururi-ini. Iguru ria murimu wa COVID-19 thirikari ni yagite kuiganira na guikuruka kwa namba ya arwaru a HIV and AIDS aria mabatie gucerera thibitari, ona gutuika gicunji kia 96 kia arwaru no marathi na mbere na kwamukira urigiti. Mehariria-ini ma kung'ethanira na murimu gukinyagia riu kuri na itanda 12,412 cia gutangikira arwaru aria maramba kuigwo keheri-ini 498 cia ICU, na nginyagia haha turi ithabu ria mari thibitari-ini ni 1,179 na andu 50 mari ICU.
We would want to urge members of the public and even the government offices. Testing does not give you a sense, just gives you a sense of false assurance that you are safe. So much as you may want to clamor for that testing, it is still, and I will still insist, that it is the measures you take before or after that test that are going to matter.
Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Julius Kareithi wa Munene.